Morning. Good morning on this glorious November morn. It's way too warm. It's about, well, 12 or 13 degrees. And it's November 4 or 5. I forgot. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Oh, there's my trusty bike. I love my tripod. Yay. And I'm going that way. I'm going for a known location first. My brother discovered a big strange mushroom, very rare. So let's hope it's still there. And well, yeah, we'll see what we'll find. That will have to stay there unguarded because I forgot my bike lock. Yes. It's raining a little bit, but that's okay. I already have wet feet because I forget to buy new wellies. Mine are really at an end. These sometimes have enormous mushrooms growing at the base. This one hasn't, but yeah, this is big. For our standards, this is big. Nowhere near as big as redwood forests. It was supposed to be on the left side of the trail. Yeah, I'm a bit out of breath. It's old age, I think. I hope. Yeah, these moss beds are a really good place to find small stuff. Ooh, it still smells like cotton candy here. Yeah, we got a bit of a dark sky. Mushrooms. Yeah, it's been a while since I did an outside video, so well, I'll get into it. Just you wait. Well, mushroom. Mushroom. Shroom, 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 shroom. It's on the left side of the trail. Yes. You couldn't give me GPS coordinates, but that would have been helpful if I knew how to use my GPS on my phone, which I don't. Yeah, I'm getting a new phone. Yippee. Twice as good as the one I have now. Left side of the track. That's the bad side of the track, isn't it? It's like the other side of town. Ooh. This is a really good place to find these. These are of the family Mycenas. And there's one that's green and translucent. I really hope I can find those. Because again, they are rare. And becoming even more so. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on hold for a moment. Hold. Well, I'll be damned. There it is. Left side of the track. And it's still in one piece. That's really, really great. It's kind of old, but yeah, there we go. It is quite firm, and well, you can see it's big. I believe this is a coral fungus, coral mushroom, and it looks like wet noodles. It even feels like wet noodles. I believe these are edible, but don't take my word for it. Damn, this is a pretty one. You can see here the... Oh, this light is much prettier. It's all connected. Really amazing. Oh, this must have trillions of spores. Yeah, I'm not sure what group this belongs to. It's not a slime mold, but damn, that's impressive. Really, I've only seen this twice. This one included. It's that rare. Damn. And it grows on a spruce trunk. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Okay, this part of the video is done. I saw some stuff on the way here, so let me check that out. Man, I picked a good day. No people. Yeah. It's picture perfect. I'm still not at the other spot. But yeah, just look at it. Soft rain. Which I don't mind because, well, I have a box full of dry clothes at home. Yes, it's a box. I don't have enough clothes to warrant a clothes closet. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah. No, there's not much to be found there. And I don't feel like breaking my legs. I already did that once and it's not recommended. No, it's not. bloody hurts. Ooh, there's an open patch. Oh. Here's the, this is, yeah, well, Welsh moss. Let's see here. Mushrooms. Do I really have to break my legs, guys? Come on. There are still even mosquitoes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put you on hold again. Hold. Nooks and crannies. There. This is a cheese fungus. Because it looks like cheese. And it has these little pores. Ah, this is no one. Yeah, there is one with a blue cover, which is called the blue cheese fungus. How original. Yeah, I was just here. Hold. Yeah, it's a little work of art. Yeah, super pretty. Okay, the water from above is becoming serious. I'm gonna get wet. Oh yeah, I just said I didn't mind. Yeah, and on we go. Yeah, hunting for mushrooms is basically a time-consuming activity because I move really slow. Pan around. Looking where I put my foot because, well, just rewind the video. Ah, come on guys. And there is no leaf cover. What's this? A fungus eaten by a fungus. Ooh, I think we're in luck. Let me get this out of the way. And there we are. A little closer. And, oh damn, you can't see it. It's translucent and green. But, well, you need sunlight. Let me see if I can make a little light. Is that better? No, it's not. And well, these aren't that fresh anymore. Maybe I can find some that aren't as old, because the color fades with age. Yeah, I'm getting wet. Okay. More stuff. Here's one. I'm gonna put a family member next to it. Look. This is a normal Mycena. And on the left is a translucent green one. Now that makes it fairly obvious. Same genus, different species. Yeah, super pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on hold again. But just for a short while. These are spore caps of star moss. That's this stuff, and you probably all know it. There. That's star moss. And they're still closed. You can see there's a little lid on it. And when that breaks, it releases the spores. It's a large seedling. Large, CH, not large. Oh, sorry. Can I take this home? Nah, probably not. Okay, back on hold you go. Yeah, my camera has a bit of a problem with moist on the display. Look, this is how deep the leaf litter goes. Absolutely amazing. All mulch. This mushroom. I wanted to find something else, but that's not available, at least not in this spot. And this is one you can find everywhere. It's of the Russula family, and this is a yellow one. Well, it tries to be yellow. This one isn't done yet, but there are so many. You got these in black, red, pink, green and blue. And they are not edible. They are foul tasting. They taste a little bit like earwax times 100. A lot of mushrooms taste like earwax. It's still raining. I'm gonna go to a patch of pine and see what we can find there. I still have some other spots to check out, which have really strange looking, if they are still there, because, well, the old depressing message, it's not going well with nature. No, it's not. This is also a russula. No, not. This is not a russula. This is my right hand, guys. And that I don't use for sticking stuff in my mouth. Yeah, patch of pine. I have to jump. Hey, little frog. Yeah, hold. I'm in the ditch and oh. And the lighting is atrocious. It's way too bright. Nah, that's not going to work. Anything here? Ooh, what's that? Yeah, the phone definitely doesn't like moist. Yeah, when I do this, I look for unusual colors. And most mushrooms have an unnaturally bright color or shapes that stand out, and I already found something. It's again the translucent one. Ooh, yeah. These are fun, but again really hard to see because of the crappy light. Yeah, now I'm gonna put you on hold for a bit longer because there's not much here. So I'm going, oh, wait a minute. Here. That's the blue cheese fungus. It's about yay big. So that's what I look for. This is an off color. Nothing here is blue, ever. And you can see there, in between the ferns, you can see the ribs of a mushroom that's curled inside. That's a strange shape. So that's what I look for. And I was going to put you on hold. Yes, yes. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh no, it's just a leaf. Yeah. And again, a bright color. And, well, you see these colors, but look at that. It stands out. This is a horn, a small horn mushroom. And they don't get much bigger than this one. Yay big. And that's the red variety of the, or the pinkish variety of the russula. This one has been eaten by snails. There's a whole colony here. Ooh, that's also fungus. Slime mold. And behind me, there we go. Strange anthracite color. And some more. And once you spot them, they kind of light up, so yeah, your eye has to get used to it. It's the same as with spotting the start of buds or new growth. There's a beautiful one. Yeah, I'm still at the same spot, but I keep getting interrupted. Yeah, hold. Here again is a Russula. This one is gray. Looks a bit blue on camera, but it's gray. Again, not edible. Yes, I was again interrupted. My bike, where's my bike? It's about 50 meters that away. 4 different genera. We have here a Russula. These are sulfur mushrooms. And we have here, this is called the bacon mushroom. It looks a little bit like, yeah, fat on meat. It even feels like bacon. Amazing stuff, really. And here's an unnamed fairy chair. Oh, there's even a 5th genus. This is also the bacon mushroom. Small Russulas. And I'm looking for the amethyst mushroom, and that only grows under beech trees. That's beech tree. But they are really hard to spot, because sometimes they blend in with the leaf litter. No, it's nothing but moss. Nope. That's a good example of the red Russula. That's really, really red. Still no amethyst mushrooms. I found some old ones, but they turn brown after a while. And if you have the young ones, they are, yeah, you see them? The young ones are really, really bright purple. Okay, what do we have here? These are some old honey mushrooms. We have little antlers. And also spore pods. Yeah, this is a big one. This is the bacon mushroom. Yeah, that looks really, really gross. Not sure if these are edible or not. They look edible. And the French probably have some use for it. I got disturbed by the one person that doesn't want to get disturbed when he's in nature. How ironic. Still no amethyst mushroom. Ah, well, it's not what I wanted, but I'll take it. That's the amethyst mushroom. You can see it still has a bit of purple. Ah, this is a small one. Look, this one. I'm gonna pull it out. Don't hate me for it. There. Now that's purple. You can eat these, but they're not very tasty. They taste a little bit like cucumber. In the long ago, they put them in salads. Just for coloring. Amethyst mushroom. I promise I deliver. Yeah, I still have... Ooh, this is... little antlers and... that white stuff is a spore layer, but it's not done yet. I have no idea how long I've been filming now, so ooh, I think we have a bacon mushroom. Yep, and a big one. Look at that. It feels really, really fleshy. And like I said, the French probably have a dish for it. Ooh, this is... that's been eaten by another fungus. Oh, it smells divine here. The smell of rot and decay. What's that? Nah, not interesting. More stuff? No. Well, I'm almost at the bike. And there I will have a drink and a smoke. And try to finish this video. Again, bacon. Now I want bacon and eggs. I didn't eat before I went. Now I'm hungry. I'm bloody hungry. Yeah, it's still there. Who would want a bike like that? Yeah, I'm gonna head home in a while. And I'm gonna pass the locations I just mentioned. So this is it for now. I think I have more than half an hour, but I showed you the most important stuff where I went for. So okay, later. Yeah, that's pretty. Mushroom. Okay, this is the final entry of the video, and I will have to get into the ditch because the mushrooms I'm looking for only grow here. You really need a... Oh, ooh, big frog. Oh, well, I found something else. That's called the spruce feather. And there's more. Maybe you can find a big one. And you have this lovely moss with little fern seedlings. Okay, well, that's a bonus. Yeah, that's a big one. Oi. And there's a small one. And I probably killed a few already. Oh. That's a pretty little mushroom. These are roots. Well, I'm not sure, but I can't see them. And they usually stick out because they have a strange shape and color. Damn. I'm getting too old for this. Oh. On my knees again. I can see spruce feather. Well, push on a little bit further. Oh, oi. There's a little frog. There it is. Oh, on my hands and knees. Spruce feather. Here's also starting. Well, I'm gonna try here. Yeah, my back isn't that flexible anymore. No. They don't grow here anymore. Or do they? Oh. Yeah, I can keep walking home, but that won't do me any good. And on rare occasions, you can find them in spots like that, but not very often. Yeah, I don't want to bend over again. Well, screw it. I'm doing it like this. Oh. Now let's see. No. Well, maybe don't give up so easily. No. The ones I'm looking for are slime, the jelly fungus, which is yellow and translucent. Yeah. Oh yeah. Almost broke my foot. Now guys, this is it. It's starting to rain again. Yeah, I'm done. Later.